Good morning, everybody. Respected today's chief guest, Sri Anand Lamangji, Honorable Minister, Health and Family Welfare, Women and Child Development, Social Justice, Social Welfare, and Travel Affairs, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Respected today's guest of honor, Sri Hage Tado, President of Tani Supunduku, and respected today accompanied with guest of honor, Tado Madam Ji, respected on behalf of this district administration PD Sahab, respected DSP Sahab, respected Secretary Government of Arunachal Pradesh, and all the head of departments who come here to this function, and officers from the different corner of this zero plateau, and head of departments, and public leaders, Gambura, Gamburi, or ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to highlight in my own language what is the meaning the Serenity Derivative Festival we have to celebrating. Malaru etajatola, ngunmi Serenity mi ka diri sojo, ngunmi tanimi song dola anu miluduke, ngunu tanimi song lang soma. Ngun Serenity mi nima pangun sorul ko, bila ka ata to lima malala, so ngunu soil ko, ngunu banyaka molo inch ko kalul ko, ngun sote kuma, ngun inte kumarake, so sote kalul na pangun sorul ko ra. 1967 oka susi palaka ngunu ka nene ka su paklaka aki palut palaka paro pop mulu ma kunami ham kana ngun so oi mulla kulala hok oi me ngunu mo ko koda puja da ngun ko halu gra ta ngun ko sisi ama pa o ai walu tar ura ama puni ne ko la hinmi hok se ngun ka ato ka muzumi soka ganda mi ngun ayutak mapala preja munu palaske so ngunu tangata ngun mi supundrio ka sobota malaka preja mure ka lune himi wati pak lun ngun hol make ngun ki preja mu chi sake ngunu sikri muk makoda puja da ngun ko halu koraya ngun ko ayaman ta aildo oro koda so naturally ngun ko mo ka nun amap do kino we so ta am ali ko do hakin mis ke musone si mular concept mular Serenity mi klujo mi ano confusion la song sore mo mure raklu ne he mular le tema pa mun sore pa mun tanyo supun de sanda de ne so bola do he mun mo bola suru ke football any ni culture competition no do jalo pa football mi te munu tu bola mustu he mun opol ma pa mustu ke only mun ka saka diri mi agami ngun prejam mala ngun ka mujme miskolar sik ngun choka suru kune che miskolar mastama pa well ngunu saka Serenity mi ta tange ta chima pa ni Serenity di ludo Serenity lu ko ngun ka salang ka nama ko ke a ok salang ka nu ditin do nu hak ditin mi ngun Serenity la ka ho pa ngun sika Serenity la kunu sika ngun slo soko tre Serenity ka jurisdiction pa ado hop sika ngun Serenity sa amela ngun sorune ho ngun malaru seksi mi ngun tak la malaru simi ngun malaru against la malaru dominat me biao senda dari mita tani mita unification musnimi malaru soi no ne mulaki soke ongo nun mi para ngolu supundri mita lui nun tra heja song ne kumong ne kol hinte mapa ngun ka jes po ka ngun ka agami kam peja mus ko sak makan la ngun pangsam kasaro kune ala. Now I want to tell just few minutes, few words. Actually, in the earlier, the Dri was celebrated their own respective villages. In the year 1967, Dri was centrally formed to celebrate it at Raja School Ground. At the time, they are ritually just by seeing this ritually performed, where we have to celebrate, where we have to look at, we have to celebrate this, the Dri festival. At the time, we have to performing by seeing this liver. And then after that, 1967 onwards, under leader of Lord Koji, when it was started ritual performed at here, then we could not be leave it. If we leave this ritual problem, that means lot of accident will be happen. Therefore, we have continued to preserve this ritually. Just we have to celebrate it. Thank you.